Tesla offers a graphic to help you with a bird's eye like view of the vehicle for parking, which, though not like the 360 view now offered by so many makers, is quite suitable. Tesla allows creating driver profiles where every driver's preference and settings can be stored. Here is a run through of the software in the Tesla Model 3 and Y. Throughout the film, you will notice the features being marked on our electric vehicle software rating version 1.0 chart. Additionally, in the first category of driver assistance, Tesla offers the autopilot, in which a press down of the stalk once locks the car at the set speed first, and another press down sets the car in the adaptive cruise control, where the auto steer feature then drives the car in the designated lane. As you will see in this film, I will try and make a separate film to show the limitations of the Tesla software and some notable cautions that I have found with my experience. Its voice commands are fairly good and quite effective when driving. This is the accepted level 2 of the 5-level full self-driving, and the level at which you find most automakers today. Only Mercedes has vehicles with certified level 3 autonomous tech in the US. For those unfamiliar with the space, the level 1 called driver assistance is basic driver assistance with some features that assist the driver. Level 2, where most automakers find themselves today, is called partial automation, where acceleration and steering is automated but the constant vigilance of the driver is warranted. At level 3, called conditional automation, the driver is required to be present and be ready to take control at all times with notice, but is not required to monitor the environment. At level 4, called high automation, the vehicle is capable of performing all driving functions under certain conditions, with the driver having the option to control the vehicle. At level 5, called full automation, the vehicle is capable of performing all driving functions under all conditions, with the driver having the option to control the vehicle. on safety, Tesla offers automatic emergency braking, forward and blind spot collision warnings, and alerts for the lane departure avoidance. It has an industry-leading system for battery thermal management, one of the best in my opinion. It has a dash cam, the working of which you will see in this film. Tesla has been one of the most extensive users of cameras when it comes to security. If you use a Tesla, you can never be too far from it. From ensuring driver attentiveness with audible alerts to monitoring your car in all four directions and with an additional view from inside the cabin via the Sentry mode, cameras are constantly at work to keep the vehicle safe. The dashcam that you saw in the clip records footage which, to preserve privacy, never leaves the car unless shared. The pin to drive is another smartphone-like feature, very simple yet effective in security. Tesla allows users to set charging limits both on screen and in the app, enables scaling up and down of the charging current, scheduled charging, charging both level 1 and 2 AC and DC fast in varied capacities based on the models. It automatically preconditions the battery for fast charging when you navigate to its superchargers. It actually offers many energy-based features far beyond our rating here. A quick note: I anticipate the new revamped version of the Model 3 codenamed Project Highland as soon as next week. I expect several changes, possibly a front bumper camera, 3 new cameras in all with 2 on the sides, avoiding all blind spots, all cameras upgraded to 5 megapixels. The temperature sensors could now get GPS enabled and hence more accurate. The model could go stockless, much like the Model S and X, with the gear shifter moving to the screen. When reversing, an indicator R could appear in the mirror. Tesla could change the steering from a mechanical connection to a steer-by-wire system, where electronic signals using cables could direct the vehicle's gear, making the ride smoother and more comfortable. The base battery pack could also see a possible 10% boost in size. With so many changes, I anticipate there will be interesting updates to look at for the rating in the future. A revamped Model Y is also expected and is codenamed Project Juniper. These are interesting developments, as Tesla seldom updates its models in terms of appearance. What makes software significant and is what I anticipate will be the future of electric vehicles on the whole. Remember, all of these are purely my guesses, and what we'll see actually is what comes out when it does come out. This was an important rating to present, even though quite an uneventful one in terms of the context. Things are rapidly evolving in the EV world, especially with software. Makers of all shapes are now trying to catch up on features here. So I will continue to present to you work, developments, and my impressions in this space. Until another one, take very good care.